Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on airplane mode on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're taking your Nintendo Switch 2 out and you're going on a plane ride, and you need to go ahead and turn it on airplane mode so that you don't have any interferences. How do you actually go ahead and turn it on airplane mode? Now, this video is going to be short and sweet. Sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto the system settings option there. And then the first option is actually going to be airplane mode right over here. So if you click on airplane mode, you'll notice that there's a toggle button right over here. You can actually toggle this on or off, but keep in mind that that is going to turn off your Joy-Con controller. So you want to make sure that you attach your Joy-Con 2 controllers to the console, and then it's going to allow you to turn on airplane mode. So go ahead and click on OK, and there you have it. You've now turned on airplane mode. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on airplane mode on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.